Hello all, this is Eric Bryan and Cosplay again. Just want to share with you guys a nifty little mechanism I made from a 3D printer. You're looking at this and going, what is this overly complicated mechanism? Well, it's for a Stargate Ma'Tok staff weapon. You've seen those weapons where they're kind of closed up and then they go, and they open up and they shoot out. That's what this mechanism does. It does that little four-way split. So normally it's like this. There's a linear gear in here. Basically it's like these gears, only it's long. Just a bunch of concentric rings, concentric teeth. I can actually turn it inside. But you can also push it and it pops out. You pull it, they pop back in. If you're wondering about the wires here, that is because my tolerance was a little off. I probably should have just put a solid block of material up inside the middle of one of these arms up in here so that I could just drill through it and put an actual screw through. But it kind of works out nicely because there's, almost no effort required, to pull these in and out. In fact, even if you hold it like this and let it go, it is tight enough that it's able to, move itself just from the weight of it, which is pretty cool. You may also notice it's slightly see-through. These are hollow. There's the infill inside here, which is just kind of like a lattice. This isn't the best print. I did this really quickly because I had to take the printer back to my work. But anyway, this is all just one hollow tube. The gear is inside there. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that. But you can see that goes in and out. I'll post up another picture of this too, just so you guys can see what the finished mechanism looks like in 3D, all broken out into its individual pieces. Okay, so there you go. I think I may have to try to make these smaller, bring in these pieces here. I may have to shrink the whole thing, but this was more of a demo piece just to see if I could get it to work. I may also attach on some paper right here, some planes, and attach it to the edges here, because you have to have the two edges to get the correct opening, otherwise they'll end up opening funny. You won't open up uniformly. That's why you have to have 8 arms, 2 for each quadrant. So there you go. Oh, actually what goes on back here is there's a linear motor, or a linear actuator, which you can buy. I can post some links to those too. And those really will just push and pull whatever you put in front of them. And considering this is almost no effort at all, it should be able to easily do this. So it goes rink, open, rink, close, rink, open. You could do this with more mechanical means, springs and wires and cables, but I'm just so tired of springs and wires and whatnot and things not working right. I'm actually going to go with gears and motors because those are at least controllable and predictable. So there you go. Thanks for watching.